Arizona is a diverse and beautiful state with a variety of landscapes, attractions, and activities. Here's a virtual tour highlighting some of the must-visit places in Arizona. Grand Canyon National Park. Start your tour with one of the 7 wonders of the world, the Grand Canyon. Explore the South Rim for breathtaking views, hiking trails, and the opportunity to learn about the canyon's geology. Sedona. Head south to Sedona, known for its stunning red rock formations. Enjoy outdoor activities like hiking, jeep tours, and explore the vibrant art scene in the town. Antelope Canyon. Located near Page, Antelope Canyon is a mesmerizing slot canyon with unique sculpted sandstone walls. Guided tours are available to explore this natural wonder. Horseshoe Bend. Just outside Page, Horseshoe Bend offers a panoramic view of the Colorado River as it curves around a massive rock formation. It's a popular spot for photography. Phoenix and Scottsdale. Explore the vibrant city life in Phoenix, the state capital, and neighboring Scottsdale. Visit museums, enjoy shopping, and experience the diverse culinary scene. Flagstaff. Head north to Flagstaff, a city surrounded by mountains and ponderosa pine forests. Explore the historic downtown, visit Lowell Observatory, and if you're there in winter, enjoy skiing or snowboarding. Tucson. Venture to Tucson in the southern part of the state. 1. Visit the Saguaro National Park to see iconic saguaro cacti, and explore the Arizona Sonoran Desert Museum. Monument Valley Navajo Tribal Park. For a unique experience, consider visiting Monument Valley on the Arizona-Utah border. Take a guided tour to explore the iconic red sandstone buttes and mesas. Petrified Forest National Park. Discover the otherworldly landscapes of the Petrified Forest, where ancient trees have turned to stone. The park also features colorful badlands and Native American petroglyphs. Lake Powell. If you enjoy water activities, visit Lake Powell near Page. This reservoir offers boating, kayaking, and the opportunity to explore the picturesque slot canyons by water. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for next state.